Hi, this is Bryn from Lightspeed. Now that you've set up your point of sale, let's take a look at how to set up your products to sell online in eCom. To install Lightspeed eCom so I can sell my products online, we go ahead and click on eCom and install Lightspeed eCom. Now you'll see here my store name has already filled in, but of course I can change it. I'll choose which store location my inventory is going to sync from if I have multiple stores, and what product language I'm going to be entering my products in Lightspeed Retail. I can also choose, do I want all my products to sell online, or do I want to pick and choose later what pushes over? You can always change that setting as well. Once I've chosen everything, I hit looks good, let's set up shop. And now we'll get a nice little animation of a rocket ship. And once that blasts off, we'll know our products are uploading and we can go start working on our eCom site.